154. Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets. Next MCQ. The sonnets of William Shakespeare were addressed to dash 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 dash. Options are A. A fair youth, B. Dark lady, C. A rival poet, D. All of the above. Friends, note down your answer. And the correct answer of this question is D. All of the above. Next MCQ. Third MCQ. Shakespeare's sonnets are known as Shakespearean sonnets as well as dash dash dash. Options are A. English sonnets, B. Petrarch sonnets, C. Italian sonnets, D. All of the above. Friends, note down your answer. And the correct answer of this question is A. English sonnets. Next MCQ. The last two lines of the Shakespearean sonnets are called dash 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 dash. Options are A. The two lines, B. A couplet, C. A quatrain, D. A small stanza. Friends, note down your answer. The correct answer is B. A couplet. Next MCQ. What is the rhyme scheme of the Shakespearean sonnets? Very important question for net and set also. Options are A. B A B A, A B A B, B C B C, F F. Next, A A B B, C C D D, E E F F, G G. Options third, C. A B A B, C D C D, E F E F, F F. And the last option, A B A B, C D C D, E F E F, G G. Note down your answer. Very interesting answer. The last one, D. A B A B, C D C D, E F E F, G G. Next MCQ. William Shakespeare is also known as. Options are A. Son of the Stratford upon Avon, B. Man of letters, C. The father of literature, D. All of the above. Note down your answer. And the correct answer is Son of the Stratford upon Avon. Next MCQ. Who is known as the national poet of England? Options are A. William Wordsworth, B. William Blake, C. William Shakespeare, D. William Faulkner. Friends, note down your answer. The correct answer is C. William Shakespeare. Next MCQ. What is the sonnet? Define. Like the wires. Next MCQ. How were the chicks of the poet's mistresses mentioned in the present sonnet? A. The mask, B. Red, C. White, D. Not like the rose. And the correct answer of this question is not like the rose. Next MCQ. How is the breath of the poet's mistress mentioned in the present sonnet? Options are A. Like perfumes, B. Like ricks, C. Like sweets, D. Like dirt. Note down your option, friends. And the correct option of this question is B. Like ricks. Next MCQ. What is more pleasing than the speech of the poet's mistress in the present sonnet? Options are A. The music, B. The song, C. The wind, D. The flute. And the correct answer of this question is A. The music. Next MCQ. How was the love of the poet William Shakespeare mentioned in the present sonnet? Options are A. Great, B. Beautiful, C. Rare, D. All of the above. The correct answer of this question is C, rare. Next MCQ. What is the number of Shakespeare's sonnets? My mistress's eyes are nothing like the sun. Options are A, 130, B, 144, C, 125, D, 154. And the correct answer of this question is 130. These are the important MCQs, friends. There can be many more MCQs. Read the text, synopsis, about writer, and draw more MCQs. I conclude this video with the beautiful quote of William Shakespeare. Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none. Thank you, one and all. Spread all these videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.